Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 5. The Golden Table of the Rio Cobra in St. Catherine. One of Jamaica's oldest paranormal legends involves a treasure said to lurk beneath the waters of the Rio Cobra River. The Golden Table is a fabled object that has enticed and terrorized Jamaicans for generations. The legend likely dates back to the colonial era. Some say Spanish settlers, fleeing British conquest in the 1650s, sank a heavy solid gold table in the Rio Cobra near the infamous flat bridge in St. Catherine to hide it.
Follow Jamaican True Story.
Over time, stories of this lost treasure grew into a duppy story. According to folklore, the golden table rises from the river on the hottest days at noon, gleaming in the sunlight, tempting greedy people to come get it. But it is heavily guarded by river spirits. Many have tried to retrieve it, but one story stands out to be both strange and dark. A plantation owner once sent 24 oxen and 6 slaves to pull the table from the river. As soon as they touched it, the team was mysteriously pulled under and drowned. The table vanished beneath the water again. This chilling story, recorded in Clinton Black's Tales of Old Jamaica, frames the golden table as a cursed object that costs a deadly price on the greedy. Locals also link the legend to the River Muma, suggesting the table only reveals itself to test if your heart is clean. Residents near Flat Bridge claim that on certain hot days, the river water looks oddly shiny and a flat metallic shape can be seen just below the surface. Some drivers crossing the bridge at noon have reported feeling a sudden pull, as if something in the water is trying to draw them in. The Rio Cobra is known for numerous freak accidents, which many claim that the mermaids, duppies, and the golden table are responsible for. The golden table has never been recovered, if it exists at all. It is said to reside beneath the Rio Cobra, in the Bog Walk Gorge according to legend. Flat Bridge, which spans that section of river, is still a place feared by many. Travelers often say a prayer or throw coins into the water for good luck, hoping to appease the spirits in the water.